Can you really make £10,000 a month working from home? The answer might really surprise you. Earning £10,000 a month from home isn't easy, but it is possible because thousands of entrepreneurs over 40 are already doing it. If they can do it, you can do it too. They're not better or smarter than you. But there are some key principles to hit £10,000 a month. For example, you need to focus consistently on three things. For example, high ticket offers. Second, scalable systems. And third, recurring income. If you want to make more money, manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, multiply it fast so you can grow, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch amazing videos like this. In this video, I will share with you 10 practical methods you could realistically use to make £10,000 a month working from home. Are you ready? Let's go. But before we cover these methods, we need to learn about what I call the S.I.T.E approach. But what is this S.I.T.E approach about? The S.I.T.E approach is about four things. S stands for skill building. You need to focus only on high demand skills. You need to get the right skills or knowledge required to hit £10,000 a month. And then I stands for investments. You need upfront capital or cash to get started. T stands for time. You need to put a lot of effort, a lot of time, hours a week. But others, they don't want to put any effort. They are lazy and they just want to make money without putting any effort. That's not possible. That's delusion, okay? And E stands for efficiency. Some of these methods are more efficient or better than others. So you need to choose the right methods according to your skills, according to your investments. So let's say you have no money, but you have time. So you have to consider all these factors, okay? I'm about to share with you something that I call the massive hope 10K a month method. The first method is membership business. A stands for affiliate marketing, S stands for stock trading or investing, Y stands for YouTube or content creation, F stands for freelancing, H stands for high ticket coaching or consulting, which is related to high ticket offers, O stands for online courses or digital products, P stands for property investing or publishing, and E stands for e-commerce. In terms of membership subscription, you need to believe that it's possible to create a paid community, and you can charge between £49 to £99 a month. For example, if you have 200 members paying £50 a month each, you can build a £10,000 a month business. For example, if you teach property investments, you can name it Property Wealth Inner Circle, or if you teach about money like myself, you can call it Money Masterclass. Some platforms you can build your membership site could be Patreon, Circle, Mighty Networks, or you can also use your own site. I have my own membership site called Monthly Money-Making Mastermind. Entrepreneurs over 40 pay me £97 a month to learn about how to make money, how to manage it wisely, and how to multiply it. So if you want to know more about this program, get in touch with me. The question you have to ask yourself is this: is a membership or subscription model part of your £10,000 a month plan? If not, why? The second method to make £10,000 a month is called affiliate marketing. Here's where you can promote other people's products, programs, and services and get paid a commission. Okay, for example, you can earn between £200 to £1,000 in commission. So, but how do you build traffic? Some examples to build traffic, for example, is what I call the bite methods. You can, for example, use blogging, YouTube, you can use TikTok, and also you can use email list to build traffic. I would highly recommend you to use recurring commissions. For example, membership or SaaS. Is affiliate marketing part of your £10,000 a month plan? If yes, leave me a comment below. If not, tell me why. Why are you not using affiliate marketing to make £10,000 a month? Do you want to earn between £200 to £1,000 commission? If yes, get in touch with me. I have a program called Promote and Get Paid program designed to help you make money. But if you don't want to promote my program, You can also set up your own affiliate marketing program and work with other people to promote it for you. S stands for stock trading or investing. Is it possible to generate £10,000 a month from stock trading? Well, I would say it's possible, but it's not passive and is not guaranteed. It's a high-risk strategy, okay? It requires a lot of training and discipline. I would say that trading stocks is more effective long-term, okay? You can invest in dividend stocks, you can invest in ETF or real estate crowdfunding, but this needs to be long-term. Let me ask you this question. Is stock trading or investing part of your £10,000 a month strategy? If yes, let me know in the comments below. If not, why not? Y stands for YouTube or content creation. You can build an audience on YouTube and monetize it. For example, you can monetize it via ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, etc. But the problem is that it's going to take very long time, okay? But you can earn between £5,000 to over £20,000 a month. If you can play the long-term game, maybe use faceless channels using AI, voice covers, plus stock footage, maybe you can achieve your £10,000 a month fastest. It's going to take time. You need to be patient, okay? So my question for you is this. Is YouTube or content creation part of your £10,000 a month plan? If yes, leave me a comment below. If not, why not? And then F stands for freelancing. Of course, you can package your skills. For example, if you have negotiation skills like myself, copywriting skills, designs, or marketing skills, or even video editing skills, you can create or set up a freelancing company. And you can charge premium fee. For example, you can charge between £1,500 to £3,000 per client. And to hit £10,000 a month, you only need 4 to 7 clients. Okay? And this freelancing business can scale later into an agency, okay, in which you can also hire people to work for you. So is freelancing part of your strategy to make £10,000? If yes, let me know in the comment below. If not, why not? The next method to hit £10,000 a month is called high ticket offers, or if you like, high ticket consulting or coaching. For example, you can package your expertise, your knowledge, your know-how. For example, you can choose a niche. Myself, I'm in the money niche, more precisely wealth building niche. I help entrepreneurs over 40 how to make money, how to manage it wisely, and how to multiply it so they can become financial free. With high tickets, you only need 2 to 5 clients a month to reach 10,000 a month. And some platforms you can use, for example, you can use Zoom. For example, right now I'm using Zoom to record this video for you. You can use Kajabi and you can use Thinkific. So which one of these platforms are you using right now? Are you using Zoom, Kajabi, or Thinkific to hit £10,000 a month? Here's another question for you. Is high ticket coaching consulting part of your £10,000 a month plan? If yes, let me know in the comment below. If not, why not? O stands for online course and digital products. You can create a course and sell it many times. For example, you can create a course called 10x your income or 10x your health. It depends on your niche, okay? If you're selling your course between £200 to £500, you only need 20 to 50 sales to make £10,000. And you can use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to promote your online course. So this is the question for you. Is online course and digital products part of your £10,000 a month plan? If yes, let me know in the comment below. If not, why not? Another method to hit £10,000 a month is publishing and writing. This is where you self-publish books or ebooks on Amazon. For example, if you can sell 1,000 copies for £10 each, you can make £10,000 a month. Some example of non-fiction niche that often sells very well is finance, health, and spirituality. If you want to add an extra income, you need to add an audiobook. For example, right now I'm working on some audiobooks. I have a couple of books for sale on Amazon, and right now I'm adding an extra source of income from audiobooks. So what about you? Is publishing and writing part of your 10k a month plan? If not, why not? If yes, also let me know in the comment below. And then e-commerce, dropshipping. These are very common methods. A lot of people I know are using dropshipping to sell something online. But here, if you really want to hit £10,000 a month, you have to focus on evergreen products, okay? If you don't sell evergreen or trending products, you might not have a successful business and you won't hit £10,000 a month. So for example, you can sell health gadgets, pet products, home fitness gear, but remember, you need to make sure you focus on the right industry, okay? So because £10,000 a month is achievable, but You won't achieve 10,000 pounds by only using organic marketing. You also need to use paid ads, okay? For example, you can use YouTube ads or Google ads. Some platforms you can use to sell your products can be Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon FBA, etc. So this is a question for you. Is e-commerce or dropshipping part of your 10K a month plan? Let me know in the comment below. Are you planning to hit your 10,000 pounds a month target within 12 months? If so, you need to avoid implementing all these methods at the same time, okay? Because that's a recipe for failure. Time is finite, is limited. There is not enough time to do everything. So we need to be strategic. We need to be wise. So if you really want to hit 10,000 pounds a month within 12 months, I would highly recommend you to focus on what I call the 7-20-10 focus rule. The 7-20-10 rule is made of 4 steps. Step 1 is to choose your 3 methods. Step 2 is to focus 70% of your time on method 1. Step 3 is to focus 20% of your time on method 2. And step 4 is to focus 10% of your time on method 3. The first step is that you're going to only choose 3 methods. From all the methods we covered so far, you're going to choose only 3 methods to focus from now on. Okay, for example, for me, I decided to focus on membership business, high ticket coaching or consulting, and also on freelancing agencies. Remember, you only need to focus on 3 methods. You need to be strategic. Step 2 is that you're going to choose your first methods, okay? When you choose this method, you're going to focus 70% of your time. And remember, depending on the method, you need to think about your skills, the investment level, the time or efficiency of the method, okay? Always think about that. For example, in my real estate business, I focus 70% of my time and effort on high ticket clients, things like coaching and consulting. My purpose is to get 2 to 3 high-paying clients a month. This is a very specific goal, and I have to do whatever it takes to get these 2 to 3 clients a month. Step 3 is that you're going to choose your second method. So now that you chose your first method and you decided to focus 70% of your time, now you're going to choose your second method and you are going to focus 20% of your time and energy. So I decided to focus 20% of my time on my property business called Full Market Value House Company. As a property consultant, we help private landlords and property entrepreneurs sell their house within 30 days. We help landlords make more money and save on tax by using our membership site, okay? This is an invitation only platform. And step 4 is that you have to choose your third method. With this method, you are going to focus 10% of your time only. So 10% of my time is focusing on my publishing business. This includes writing books to publish on Amazon and books, eBooks, and also audiobooks. So for my books, for example, I write books for entrepreneurs over 40. As I said, that's my market or my niche. I help people how to make money, how to manage it wisely like a multimillionaire, and how to multiply it through business and investments. So that's my purpose. Now, think about how are you going to allocate your time according to the 7-20-10 focus rule so you can hit your 10,000 pounds a month target within 12 months. I just showed you my 7-20-10. So what about yours? To hit 10,000 pounds a month, most entrepreneurs over 40 combine 2 to 3 of these methods rather than relying on one. I don't recommend you to focus only on one method to hit 10,000 pounds a month, okay? Make sure you always choose 2 or 3, okay? And then choose the 7-20-10 method. So choose which one of these methods you are going to focus 70% of your time, which one you're going to focus 20% of your time, and which one you're going to focus 10% of your time. You need to be strategic. Now let's do a quick recap, shall we? So in this video, we learn about 10 methods you can use to hit 10,000 pounds a month. I share with you my methods called massive hope. So M stands for membership business. You can set up a membership business to hit £10,000. A stands for affiliate marketing. You can set up an affiliate marketing business. And with this affiliate marketing, you can promote other people's products. For example, if you promote my own products, earn at least £200 a month. Get in touch if you want to know more about this. S stands for stock trading or investing. You can also invest in stocks. But as I said, this strategy is not guaranteed. It takes time and is high risk. You can also set up your YouTube channel and create content. Of course, as I said, this takes a lot of time and you need to play the long-term game. And then you can also set up your freelancing agency. Okay, that's F. And then H stands for high ticket coaching or consulting. By only selling to high ticket clients, you only need 2 to 3 clients to hit £10,000 a month. And O stands for online courses, okay, or digital products. You can also hit £10,000 by creating digital products. P stands for property investing. There are many strategies you can learn to make money from property. If you want to know more about property, click the video coming on the top of your screen. And E stands for e-commerce. You can make money from e-commerce. I hope you have enjoyed this video. What is one method are you going to start using from today so you can hit £10,000 a month within 12 months? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time. If you want to make more money, manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, multiply it fast so you can grow, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch amazing videos like this.